Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove currencies on your TREZOR Model T. To do it, you'll need to go to Settings in the TREZOR Suite, then go to Coins right here, and you can select which coins you want to use. You can see I have Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana selected. If I select Litecoin, then I can activate them. And also there are testnet coins, and these testnet coins don't hold any value, and they can be used for testing the device to see how it works and trying doing some different stuff. And that's basically it. I'm gonna activate these coins and it'll start loading the accounts, which means that if your device was restored from a phrase from these 12, 18, 20, 24 or 33 words, then these words are basically like they might have been used on a different wallet, and once you activate the coins, it'll start checking if the coin on that wallet has an account activated in the blockchain already. If it has, then it's gonna list it below, and if it doesn't, then it's gonna just create a new one. And that's basically it. I'm gonna unselect Litecoin now, and you can see it disappears. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.